back to Thomas and Leanne Life. We got another snack crate for you. We'll just get into it.
It's from
This snack crate. First of all, it says snack crate. Welcome to this month's snacking adventure. Okay. From Germany.
You gotta find what one we got.
This is just a little booklet.
No. It's like, you see how it's a mini? You know,
Oh,
the
yeah.
mini than the original?
Oh yeah.
And I think we got this one.
Right.
Yeah, this
Oh,
one.
the premium.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the pop in yet?
No.
No, they said they didn't have it.
That's
And then-
called a Schwip Swap.
Okay, but I don't see the green. There's another page.
We'll find it. We'll find it.
Okay.
Oh, that one. These are apples. Lock gummy.
So is it that?
Yeah, that's what it is. That's just cherry. That's apple. Alright. I just guessed it was apple because it was green and
Ooh.
it starts with an A.
Ooh, what is this?
A little frog.
There's like different ones. Look, there's a green and a yellow, a red and a green.
Let me see. Oh, the little guys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a green and yellow. Oh, these got vitamin C in them. Vitamin E.
Mm-hmm.
I got a cousin that
Really good.
I believe he used to live in Germany.
Mm-hmm. This is where it's at.
Dang, son. That boy's good. Alright, right here.
Mm-hmm.
You ever go to Germany?
It's better than the Mexico crate right now.
Yeah. Vitamin B12, B6.
That's good.
Here one another one.
Hey, we're not eating on here.
Nice.
Now let's try this stuff.
What you pulling up? I'm gonna try to find it real quick.
Yep.
A salty puff corn snack made with real peanuts. These are seriously addictive. The other one was just a fruit gummy
Ooh, it smells
in
like
an
this.
array of different flavors.
Oh yeah.
Create funny faces. Created from funny faces in different shapes.
It smells like cereal. You wanna try? We all wait.
Put in some milk.
Pretty
Tastes like greasy puffs.
I'm pretty good. I ain't gonna lie.
Not in my book. They're nasty. Oh, they got little ones too, but we don't eat it. Oh, they got like little,
Oh yeah, that's it.
the mini.
Yep, that's it.
So where's the apple ones then? Let's try it. You're gonna have to look through the whole book.
What is that?
Okay.
A delicious chocolate bar filled with the yogurt cream and bits of real strawberry mixed in it. Try it chilled. We're gonna try it warm.
Oh yeah, they did. That's why they had it in the ice pack.
Ice pop.
You should put it in the freezer
Oh, it's okay. We didn't know.
if I can get it out.
We did
Well, do we
not.
need 3?
Yeah, we need to. Oh boy. Individually wrapped.
There's chocolate. Weird.
Chocolate's good.
But the
I
inside
don't know
not.
about the inside. But the chocolate
Is good.
is good.
What is this?
That's strange. Wi-Fi? We're gonna try that one next. Let me find it in my little book of Germany.
Yeah, I'm mad they didn't give me
B-I-F-I.
stuff. You like these? You never been to Germany? You like these?
No, look, stop looking.
I'm mad they
You're
didn't have the
cheating.
pop.
Hold on, we gotta find it first.
Don't look like a
It's a little.
Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, not in the book.
Maybe. Are you sure? We're looking at. Maybe this is the one they threw in here. Ooh, this smells like pizza.
Nope, it's not in.
Ew. This is a. I don't know if this
Uh-oh.
is safe to eat.
I want to eat that.
Oh no. Hold on, let's see what this is. I smell like salami or something.
Mm-hmm. I ain't trying to eat no raw stuff.
Oh, there's a pizza.
Is it raw?
I can't read in German.
I'm gonna just bust it open.
Yeah, you can't read.
Like sauce food?
I don't even know.
This supposed to be cheese right here? I don't know. We're not.
We'll skip that one. That's like
It's like a, I don't know.
meant to be eaten
That's
when
princess.
you just go straight to the corner store.
Let's try this.
Pretty good, man.
The waffle.
A Ritter Sport.
You gotta read what it's.
Yep. Milk chocolate. Here, show me the picture. Some milk chocolate stuff. Milk chocolate stuffed with cocoa cream, crispy rice flakes, and crunchy waffle bits. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys.
Mm-hmm. We didn't get nothing right.
It's gonna be like a Kit Kat, but in a little bite-sized chunk. There's a lot of chocolate, man.
It's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah,
Like for the first layer.
a lot of chocolate. Excuse me.
Okay.
All right, next we have snack that.
Snack that.
Snack that. Where's snack that? We ain't got no snack that.
It might have been the
That
sub.
kind of looks like the same thing. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it doesn't just say like the exact.
The same.
Yeah, same thing.
A delicious combination of sweet vanilla and chocolate cake mixed together in a delightful marble pattern. Isn't that sweet?
You can open it.
Bam. A little marble cake.
We're gonna split it. You know, just like get pieces. Because there's only one more. Just grab a piece.
Oh, you can get a bigger piece than that. Honey.
Tastes like cake.
Tastes like I need a glass of milk.
It's alright. Better than normal.
I love the rest in there. Something fell out of
Okay,
the
this is some sort of chip.
Finishing my Mao
Classic
Morkuchen.
Crunchy potato chip flavor with the taste of
Sun ripened bell pepper. Okay. Probably like a cruncher.
Mm-hmm.
Like them cruncher chips and kettle cook.
It smells good. Good color.
It look kettle cook, but it's not. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it's at in Germany.
I mean, you know.
It's like your classic Lay's. You know what I'm saying?
It's good.
It's delicious, ain't it?
It got a lot of flavor.
Mom, if you're watching this, I need you to ask Ezekiel. Send a bunch of these chips.
Mm-hmm.
If he's in Germany, he probably ain't in Germany.
Mm-hmm.
But I know he's been to Germany.
There we go.
His,
What do you want to try
if
next?
he ate some of this stuff, he was eating good over there.
You want to try these?
Tell you that. What is that?
Oh,
Right here.
that's cereal.
If that's cereal, we're getting some milk.
I'm trying to sort out like
These
the
color-
chocolate stuff.
Huh?
I'm trying to sort out like the chocolate stuff so we don't eat all the chocolate at once.
These colorful fruit flavored bites, made from rice and corn, are sweet with just a hint of sour in every bite.
So what is it? Like cereal
Yeah, sour patch kid cereal.
from Germany?
Here, have 30 of them.
No, just give me a couple.
Well, you gotta taste it. I ain't gonna lie.
Sound nasty?
No, I'm gonna tell you what they look like after. Alright, all of them.
2,
3.
Here.
Woo!
You get that gum taste. That one gum,
Yeah.
and then it's like,
You want me to tell you what it looked like now?
what?
Spider eggs.
Really? Alright, let's try this.
Crazy.
That is.
Yep. Particularly sour and wonderfully tingly. Try these fruit gummies in lemon, orange, lime, cherry, and cola.
Okay, so what
Etc.
kind do you want?
You
I
should,
want them all.
we should get one of each.
One of each.
One of each.
That's a lot to taste.
That's a lot of tingly wonderfulness.
Okay, let's try the Coke first.
No, that's fine.
Okay, I don't know about lemon.
It's cola,
Cola?
but it's not Sprite, so it's probably Coca-Cola. Alright, ready? Oh, you're a dog right now, ain't you? I don't like Coke, I tell you that. That's like a flat pot.
That's alright.
Yeah.
It's different.
No,
It's sour though.
I need that carbonation.
It's like sour.
It
Like,
is
how
sour.
can you have sour Coca-Cola?
Disgusting. Can't even talk.
Here,
What's this?
lemon.
Okay.
What is
Oh,
it?
the little dinosaur egg. Hold on, guys.
Let me get up to
I'm
something.
still, I gotta swallow the last one.
We need something
I
to
just
drink.
tucked it away in my cheek. I'd go into a story about that, but.
Okay, come on.
You ready? Oh, what's going on over there? You alright?
Lemon's sour.
That's good.
Right there, last one.
Oh, yeah. What's next? What flavor is next?
Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna need some.
What's this?
I need some more than
What color is
chips.
this? Green?
Mm-hmm.
Lime. Don't you eat on my, Chip frish? Chip frish? Lime. Man, that is good. I tell you. Oh, not a big fan of lime, I see.
It's good, but I don't want to eat a bunch of sweet. And I got one more to try. Like these are
Woo!
good.
Bring it on. What is this? Cherry?
Are you gonna do the no food challenge with us?
There's no
What's
food.
that?
We're
The
done eating no food?
no food and food challenge.
We're done eating food and
Oh.
eating.
The video we watched off the Prince family.
What? We should do like a piece of chocolate.
Yeah, I just did it. Go. I want to drink that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's like that. What is that?
It's like
Changed
the
her
red,
mind real quick, didn't she?
it kind of tastes like the red Jolly Rancher.
Yep.
No.
The Jolly Rancher chew. That's what
Y'all are
they.
disgusting.
Huh?
That tastes like cherry vanilla something nasty.
Easy, Tiger.
That was gross.
What's next?
Oh, I need some more of them chips.
Man, I need some water.
I need some milk.
Yeah, she needs some milk. Where you going next? Where you going next? Should have brought a pen. So I could just tried. Hakuna Matata. German favorite wafer treat with a rich chocolate and delectable hazelnut
Is that
filling.
right here?
I like hazelnut. I like hazelnut coffee creamer in my coffee. It's delicious. And if you haven't tried it, you need to.
That's your
Stab
piece.
me in.
That's your piece.
Stab me in my sniffer.
I'm not looking forward to
Hanuta.
this.
Hanuta. I wonder if it's made with Nutella. Hanuta.
You ready?
I'm ready.
It's nasty.
Is it too chalk? Should I not take this whole big old bite? Sorry, Mom. Nah, we better not die though.
It's like weird.
Where you going, bud?
I need something.
Can you bring my pop?
Will you bring me a water too, bud? I'm not a big fan of that one. There you go.
You don't need no pop.
Mm-hmm.
There's 3 waters.
No, I don't want no water. I don't. These are some peanut.
Is that a Nick Top?
It's the double crunch peanut barbecue.
Hey there. Barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
Crunchy peanuts that are coated in a zesty barbecue flavor. A German favorite that you can't put down.
Let's go see. Ooh, smells hot.
There's your washer.
Yeah, can I get a glass of that after?
Here's
Where does
my
that go?
washer.
Full conversation on this channel.
Where'd she go?
Right there.
Oh, dang. Barbecue peanut.
And it's double coated.
Yeah, move for rubber. I got one.
She gave me 2.
I got one. Mm-mm.
What
Tastes like burnt popcorn
Done.
seed.
is that?
Woo!
That's a real nasty one.
Oh, yeah, put that whole thing. Weird.
Butter?
What? Butter cakes? What do they do?
This is one special one they threw in here.
No.
Right there. No, that's
a peanut.
I don't got it. They don't have this one.
Thanks. Smells like butter.
Ready?
I'm ready. This boy crying out. No. Really have a taste. Unless my buds are off.
Yeah.
Tastes like
Butter.
butter cracker.
Butter. Don't finish it.
It's not nasty, but it's not good. Like, it's got like a buttery
Need some-
vanilla taste.
I need some milk.
Some milk. I was thinking more along like
Cheese.
Cheese.
Put some cheese on that cracker.
It's butter cracker with cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Or the... No, huh? Is this supposed to be a cookie or a cracker?
That's what I'm saying. Let's try these.
Here, put that up now.
It's 100%
Vegetable.
candy.
A vegetable candy. Vegetarian candy. These fruity dragon tongues give the taste of strawberry, apple, peach, and cherry. Fire not included.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
They're not included.
Okay, I'm not tasting all these. What kind do you want? We'll be a different kind.
I'd say
What kind they got?
cherry, peach, apple, straw.
I'm taking cherry.
I take apple.
Oh, what's coming in flavors one?
Green cherry.
Okay, what's the
Cherry.
cherry? What else? Mm-hmm.
Strawberry.
Oh, that's a strawberry. You take what?
I guess I get 100 grade apple.
You want to try the strawberry? Strawberry?
Not green apple, it's just apple.
There's a peach.
What's that?
Peach. Oh, that's the green. Ready?
Oh, that boy's sour. What the heck?
You burn your tongue a little bit.
No, fire not included.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, peach. They're good. They're good, I'll tell you that.
Hello there. Yes, cold.
I don't see.
We're doing this one next.
Corny Big. A German twist on your favorite cereal bar. Roasted whole wheat flakes. Something funny? Can I finish? Whole wheat flakes. Cereal crisp doused in rich milk.
Yeah, this is no chocolate.
In Germany, you're supposed to have milk
Well,
chocolate.
this one's good.
What's that like?
Yeah.
Let me read it again.
It's like a...
A cereal bar.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't like these.
Mmm.
Mmm.
You don't like it. Or do you?
I know this ain't no butter cracker. No chocolate in there. Pick up.
That gave me a headache. Man.
Mm-mm. What? Is that? Maybe, headache?
Hear that? I'm laughing too loud. What's that?
Pick up.
It's clean.
Pick up.
A decadent and crunchy white chocolate bar sandwiched between two dark chocolate cookies.
What? Dark chocolate?
Yeah, that's what it said. I was taking small piece.
Well, that's fine, because they don't look like dark chocolate.
And where's the white chocolate bar?
It's different. They didn't send us ours.
Oh. What?
They didn't even send us our pop either.
Yeah, the Schwip Swap. That's a cola.
And they upgraded to the pop. Yeah.
Tasty twist on the cola.
I take half this head times sloppy.
You use that, bud. I got me a piece bigger than
It
yours.
says, it's cocoa hazelnut.
Put it all in your mouth. Ready? That.
I'm not. Oh,
Wait,
it got like a filling on the inside. That's the butter crackers.
Hey, them dang butter crackers. Alright, hurry up.
That's weird.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What's that? Hey, I was just reading that. Crisp cookie with a mild spice flavor.
A cookie?
Shaped like letters. A Germany classic since 1845.
These look.
Air chips.
You want one?
You want 1, 2, 3? No. Oh, yeah, give me number 1.
Hey, you want R?
For what?
That's one thing up.
Is there an I? And a P?
Oh. Thank you guys. I don't know, flip it around.
I don't. This smells like cream.
What? What?
Like cream.
Well, when we're done trying if it tastes like crap, we can color it.
These are volcanoes.
Not bad.
Okay.
What's that? What you got there?
Some volcano gummies.
What? Some Harambo Volcano Fizz.
Mm-hmm.
Haribo. Volcano-shaped fruit gummies that erupt with sour lava.
Ooh.
This is Haribo. We've all been waiting.
I got sour stuff in the middle.
Wait for it. That'll be.
Make it green.
Come on, big old marshmallow cheap in the grocery. Ready? I ain't got no sour lava. I don't. Holy crap!
Guys.
Woo! You already ate it?
They didn't even eat it. That was the flavors.
That's sour.
They ate a ketchup. I will catch you.
These are good though. Woo! Deep chew.
Yeah, I
You
have a
bust
little,
into the jelly yet?
yeah, I have a little tear roll down here. Make your cheeks pucker.
This is what we got. What you trying to do next?
What you got?
Let's do this Happy Hippo.
Oh, I seen that. Okay. Happy Hippo, the cutest cookie wafer bar with
It's
a
like the-
creamy milk and
It looks
nut
like a dog
filling in the shape of a happy little hippo.
It's like a dog.
Watch out for the inside.
I don't want none.
Somebody. It's like them one candies you buy in the store that the kids
Okay.
like.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
No,
They're good. Look at my face. Delicious.
no. You remember the candy you buy the kids and they scoop it out and get the toy out of it?
Oh,
That's what they
Kinder?
are. Yeah. Look,
Where?
it says it right on there.
Oh, where's my toy? Why should I jump on my bottom lip?
Right.
I just tried it. Thanks. No, thank you.
That's what
What is that? That was good. Ooh. chewy fruit flavored candies filled with juice and a fun mix of fruit flavors. A German staple. Staple? No, I'm just kidding.
It's just a chill.
Take one, pass it down. Take one, pass it down.
You're not red.
Eat my... Wait your turn. Leave me with
What is this?
dang Maggie. Just pop it
What
in.
is this?
Just pop it in. You gonna bite it? Why does it sound like that when you bit it? Mine didn't sound like that.
It's like the minnow for
The what?
What is it called?
What?
Is it called?
What is what called?
Where they drop it in the Coca-Cola bottle and
Mentos.
Mentos, yeah.
There you go. Why didn't you just say Mentos? What's the Mentos? What's next, sir?
Them are alright.
Here's a fun fact.
Let's
Oh.
see if this one sounds
Hold that
good.
thought. Hold that thought. This is all fun facts about Germany. I'm gonna read them, but not in order. It's illegal to run out of fuel on an autobahn. What's an autobahn?
I don't know. We got this right here.
Poor planners can be fined and have their license suspended for up to 6 months
Oh, can we just try
for
this
not
out?
having gas in their car. Gotta make sure that boy full.
Right, and then last but not least, this one.
Someone's last, or not least.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, which one? Wait.
The whatever.
Belisto crunchy biscuit snack bar with yogurt and berry filling covered in milk chocolate. Ew. What's in your mouth? Swish it around. I'm trying new stuff, you know?
I'll keep trying. You know what? So, that's it for us.
What was that?
You wanna try these? I don't know if we got them on there. They're like the mini.
Alright, got all fine. Chocolate strawberry crap. Oh, what
I was mad they didn't give us no pop.
Yeah, we're gonna quick shot. Well, that's it for this video. Oh, would you look at that? That's it for this video, guys. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and order more snack crates, and
Some challenges.
maybe do
Prank.
some challenges. Maybe I'll prank her.
No, I'm thank you.
So,
We need some
stay
ideas.
tuned. Comment. Can they comment?
Yep.
Comment below some good ideas on some challenges, some pranks, or even where our next snack crate should be from. They got Italy,
Not China.
Germany. Where else they got? Where else they got?